guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel CatCat Goes. So if you're new here in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So kaka-release lang ng Facebook Messenger guys ng bagong feature nila, which is yung dark theme. So some of us or some of you is asking on how to do it. So for now guys, hindi pa siya talagang nilagay sa app or sa Messenger app. Pero meron tayong mga tricks guys kung paano i-activate or i-enable yung dark theme sa Facebook Messenger. So, ito yung steps guys. So, hi guys. Ito ipapakita ko sa inyo yung steps kung paano i-enable yung dark theme ng Facebook Messenger natin. So, first step is kailangan nating i-open yung Messenger app. This one. Then, kailangan natin pumili ng isang friend. Meron tayong isi-send guys na emoticons. This emoticons is the trick kung paano ma-enable yung dark theme ng Facebook Messenger. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong emoticons ito. So this one. Then, kailangan natin mag-type ng half moon. Kasi ito yung emoticons na kailangan natin gamitin para ma-activate yung dark theme ng Facebook Messenger. So, i-delete yung word, then send. This one guys. Once na-send na natin yung emoticons guys, merong pop-up message na lalabas doon sa upper part ng ating Facebook Messenger. Below sa pangalan ng friend, yung may-ari ng message kung saan natin isi-send yung emoticons. So this one, yung pop-up message is you've found the dark mode. So kailangan natin i-turn on yung settings. This one guys. So here, makikita natin yung dark mode. Kailangan natin siyang i-turn on. Then here, as easy as this guys, meron na tayong dark theme ng Facebook Messenger. So thank you so much for checking my video. Thank you so much for watching.